How's it going, everybody? It's Stock Picks by Tim, and I've got a recent article to go over about Cleanspark, and I'm also going to go over the technicals and a nice support level that we might possibly see based on the fact that Bitcoin's been dropping. We are looking a little bearish, going down to right about 47,000. So there is a possibility that if it keeps slightly trending sideways or down, Cleanspark could very likely drop. And also the inflation data, everything else. But if inflation is high or even higher than expected, which it's already expected to be high, it could positively affect Bitcoin if it is worse. So if inflation is high, Bitcoin likes to move up. So first off, we're going to get into this article here. So Cleanspark is going to be implementing a cooling system instead of just air-powered cooling, like with a typical PC. You're going to be using a liquid cooled, essentially, immersion cooled. This will actually lead to a 20% increase in mining efficiency. And of course, I'll leave the link below for you guys so you can read this through yourself. I just wanted to kind of highlight it really quickly. But since they are right around 5,000 per Bitcoin, from what I remember, this could bring them down to about 4,000, at least in the Georgia facility. Essentially, the machines are fully immersed in a specialized liquid that significantly will increase the hash rate. Obviously, it'll make the machine cooler. Apparently, it'll extend the life of the machines. I wasn't aware of this, and I believe also dust, it'll keep dust from it, and things of that nature, but it's kind of interesting stuff. It's really cool to see this, and I'm very curious about how this is going to go, and it'll be very nice to see what their operating costs are in the next quarter from now. And speaking of this quarter's earnings, at least, they are going to release their earnings on the 14th of December, and they are expected to be profitable with a revenue of 23 million, which this is about double our last revenue. This will be fantastic if we do see it, but I wanted to show you guys, if you look here, it does look like we have a nice base right at about 11. So worst case scenario, in my opinion, 11. Now, we do just have Friday, and so it is expected on December 16th according to Zax, but let's check this out. So on Bing, or on Microsoft or whatever, it says 16th according to Zax. But according to Google, it says December 14, and according to TradingView, it also says December 14. So I'm going to be going with that. But I will definitely be watching Cleanspark very closely. And this is a pretty strong base. We do hit it twice, and even before then, it was a decent consolidation phase. It was a decent consolidation. So I definitely see this as a potential support that I will likely be buying into. If we get to it tomorrow, although I kind of doubt that that's going to happen, we might likely just see a low 13. But keep in mind that Bitcoin has dropped quite considerably, and it's been very bearish, and sentiment isn't everything, but the sentiment lately has been pretty negative. Although I have been continuing to just dollar cost average in where Bitcoin's concerned. As for Cleanspark, I love buying right in this zone, a little under it preferably, but this is definitely where I like to accumulate Cleanspark. I'm happy to buy it anywhere under the 14s preferably. And that is basically all I got for you. Just a quick update on Cleanspark. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you next time.